For days now, scenes like this one have been repeating themselves across the Afghan capital. Thousands of people have been lining up in front of banks trying to get cash. They are here waiting for a chance to withdraw 20,000 Afghani, about $200. This is the cap that the Taliban have imposed because there is a shortage of hard currency here in this country. Many of these men have been telling me they have family, some of them have companies and they need to pay the salaries of their employees. But they say they've been coming here for days and are unable to access any funds.
I have came here three times for 3 days, early morning, 5 o'clock, and I wait here up to 2 o'clock. But 2 days I could not able to receive my money.
Most of the people having something for their eating because their cash is over there at banks and the banks lock their cash. They don't pay the money of the people. And even there are the families, there are the children, women, girls at hospital that they don't have money to pay for their treatment. We don't know that we should call for whom. There is no government here right now. You know that the Taliban locked everywhere. It is a critical situation.
And we are still waiting to hear who exactly is going to run this country. The Taliban have promised that they would make an announcement listing all the ministers in their administration, but so far we have not gotten any news regarding their new regime. There are reports of disagreements within the group, which would explain this delay. The Taliban know that they have to act fast so that they can get the recognition, but also the help from the international community. Many countries saying that they are keeping channels of communication open with the group right now. And yesterday here in Kabul, the first high-level meeting for the Taliban took place. The UN Under-Secretary General for Humanitarian Affairs came here to the Afghan capital to reinforce the UN's commitment to this country and to the most vulnerable here in this country, saying that the UN will continue to support ordinary Afghans. Annalise Borges in Kabul, Afghanistan, for Euronews.